Introducing Connectivity Guru, the first solution for Salesforce clouds that helps customers optimize their home Wi-Fi using live heat maps. In this example, a customer calls or chats with a live agent because they are having issues with their Wi-Fi network. The agent then engages the Salesforce chatbot for guidance. To better understand the problem, the AI chatbot asks the agent to initiate a Wi-Fi heat map scan of the customer's room. The agent sends an invitation to the customer via an SMS or text message, initiating a live visual session, allowing the agent to see the room and determine if the issue is with the location of the Wi-Fi router or something else, eliminating the need to send a technician to the home. Once the customer is connected, the agent can see in real time the room where the router is located in, and the network the customer is connected to. Using TechSee's Connectivity Guru, the customer scans their room, which creates a 3D heat map of the space. The image is then captured and submitted back to the AI bot for analysis. The AI bot analyzes the live session images and Wi-Fi signal strength, showing the download speeds in different colors. The AI then advises the agent to tell the customer to move their Wi-Fi router closer to the green area on the heat map or the middle left of their room, and offers other potential solutions including upgrading their router to more powerful equipment. The agent ends the session, and a summary is automatically saved into the CRM case history, including all chats and images taken. TechSee's Connectivity Guru can be used for various scenarios, from creating Wi-Fi heat maps like this use case to taking 3D images of spaces for delivery previews, and much more. If you'd like to know more about Connectivity Guru, reach out today.